Hey everybody, it's me, jamerstime. W for wilderness. Today I'm here with a problem. I'm to exterminate that thing right over there. I got to get rid of that thing. And it's my job, as hired by the neighborhood, to exterminate that thing. And so today I'm going to get that thing and get it out of here. So we can walk. It's my job. I'm gonna do it. So let's get to it. It really is a fine specimen. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. As you can see over there, it's been doing some dances. It's been doing some dances, and you know, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get this son of a gun. Alright. We're gonna approach that critter, and we're gonna do it. We gotta be stealthy. It's an empire. Watch out. Ah! Getting this. So close.
So I'm just out here trying to pollinate and stuff, doing my job, and then this southern guy just comes up and tackles me. What's up with that? Ooh, damn. Your son in my family. Prepare to die.
Alright guys, so I have successfully taken the vermin out of its position over there. And now that I'm done with my job, I'm doing some experiments on this bugger. So let's do an old-fashioned sting test, you know? Every time I get a new critter in the shop, I do a little sting test and see how sharp the stinger actually is, you know? Seeing the pain index. I've done everything from the bullet ant to the tarantula hawk to the everything else, you know? It's good. So today we're gonna do the Quentin Ronin bee. We don't know much about this critter. All I know is that it's a hard one to beat. Sting going down in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! This thing is clearly one of the worst. Oh my god. I am in great pain.
Oh shit, Cubs.
Actually, that's not that hard to do.
He's been doing this for 30 minutes now.
Well, so that was a bad idea. Pain was so strong I ended up cutting my own arm off. I just couldn't handle it anymore. But the thing is about business is that it keeps on businessing. What have we learned today, though? We have learned that, in fact, nature can be mean, and that I am awesome. Make sure to like and subscribe for some more nature videos.